As the attainability to quality rises, being a filmmaker or influencer has rapidly become a new trend, meaning that on platforms like YouTube and Instagram, it's really difficult to stand out. But in this class, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. My name is Dan Mason. I'm a film director currently living in New York City, where I am working on my new weekly show called Not Normal. Previous to my YouTube career, I had a successful run as a TV commercial director, winning multiple awards, like 3 Young Director Awards at Cannes, as well as in 2016, I was rated as one of the top 6 young film directors in the world by Shots Magazine. After that, I quit the TV commercial world and started working with Casey Neistat in New York on a new project called 368. And now I'm in this transition phase from learning how to tell a really compelling story on YouTube to then move over to Los Angeles, where I'll be directing my first feature film. The key skill you'll learn here is how to utilize rhythm and create a rhythmic edit. This is done first and foremost through the utilization of diegetic sounds. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what diegetic sounds is, that's totally cool. Diegetic sounds are the actual sounds an object creates. This can be recorded through a camera or an external sound device. I just utilize my camera with a microphone in order to record these diegetic sounds. Now, why are diegetic sounds important? Because they are raw and real. They are the sounds that belong to the objects that created them, not developed in post-production or pulled off some sound library. And this truly helps increase the authenticity of every single video you're going to create. You do, however, need to come into this class knowing the basics of Premiere Pro. That's the only program we're going to be using, as well as to have a laptop to edit on. So if you're looking to increase the overall production value of every single one of your videos, this class is for you. This class is tailored around one of my weekly shows called Seeing Sounds, which looks something like this. Doing these is a big creative outlet for me, as well as the fact it really helps me experiment with rhythm and the utilization of diegetic sounds. Now, the skills you learn here can be applied to multiple different situations and multiple different styles of video, not just the Seeing Sounds, which we are going to create together. But through doing the Seeing Sounds, it's an incredible experiment and an amazing skill set to add to your repertoire. The key takeaways from this class will be finding sounds that inspire you, creating an entire soundtrack out of live sounds, or what we call diegetic sounds. Very important, shooting your entire video in 20 minutes, editing the entire production together in Premiere Pro, and lastly, executing it all online. I really look forward to getting started on this class with you. Let's begin.